are you guys doing? Huh? What are you doing? Emma, what you doing? No. Come here. Come here. Come on. Yeah. Come play. You saying hello. Say hello. Hello. Hmm? No. Hello. Yeah. Say hello. You just chilling? Just relaxing? Hmm? Emma, now. No. Come over here. Come on. Emma. No. Come on. Emma. No. No, no. Come. Come on. You're not listening. Come. Come say hi. Come. Come on. Just say hi. Can you blow kisses? You kisses. Emma, you blow kisses? You give your sister kisses. Emma. Ella, give Emma kisses. Oh. Yeah, kisses. Love you. You're giving the pillow kisses? Nice. You ready to go to sleep? Ready to go to sleep? I think so. Is it nap time? Is it nap time? Can you say bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye, Emma? Emma. Ella? Ella, can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Good girl. Bye-bye. Emma, can you wave bye-bye? No. Mwah. Blow kisses. Mwah. Yeah, blow kisses. Emma, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Emma, say bye-bye. Mwah. Blow kisses. Mwah.